What's up, y'all? Back with another video. I'm about to do some baked chicken, and I don't know if y'all can see it. I grease my pan and preheat your oven to 350. Spread the grease around. And I got some eggs boiling. I'm gonna show y'all the egg. Got the eggs boiling. I'm making potato salad. Potato salad, baked chicken with barbecue sauce on it. And yeah, baked chicken, potato salad, and mixed vegetables in a can. Already rinsed my chicken off. I got chicken thighs, so we all get 2 pieces of chicken apiece. I just rinsed them off, so that's why they were sitting in the water. So put that on there, and I also got some drum legs. Put that on there. Donovan, he won't fry stuff. He won't get fried today. He go get some baked chicken in his life. Okay, put them on there. The seasoning I'm gonna use is black pepper, seasoning salt, just a little bit of salt, because I can't have all that salt because I got high blood pressure, and you know, Tony seasoning. And sprinkle it on there. Sprinkle it to your taste, and it's up to you how much seasoning you want. Oh shit. Shoot. Season it to your own taste. And we put the oven on 350. The chicken is gonna bake for like an hour or 2, or however long you wanna cook it for. Put the Tony's on. How we got this Sunday doing and what everybody cooking. I flip it over and season the other side. Get this chicken going. I'm gonna give me a camera, invest in the camera. But now I'm using my iPhone. We just got back from the pool. Everybody ate pizza for the party. And cake and ice cream. I ate 1 pizza, that's it. She had fun though. Now they're going home to take their bath and ready for bed. Now if you want to put onions on here, you can. And I'll probably cut up some onions and just put it on there. You don't need that much onion. I got this half onion right here. And I'm going to cut up. I'm going to cut this onion up. It's been raining. Oh my God. Is it raining where y'all at? Okay, I'm just putting the onions on it. You can put how many onions you want to put on it. I just put the onions on it, you know, to give it flavoring. How's y'all Sunday going? I'm gonna cut some more, and then that's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all the picture. And then that's the chicken. See, they got the onions on there. Yeah. See, if you got aluminum foil, you could do that too. Put it on, cover it up, put it in the oven for 350, and let it, you know, go. Hold on, y'all. So. Put it in the oven. Hold on, y'all. I should put the timer on it. I got the 350 bake time. I don't know if it do that. In my oven, y'all got a timer, y'all can use y'all timer. I'm just putting the onion back. Y'all got a timer, y'all can use a timer. I mean, I don't got one. Yeah. And then close my seasonings up. Already got my potatoes cooked from yesterday, and I ain't want to throw the potatoes away, and you know what I'm saying, and go to waste, and I could make some with it. So I decided to make some more potato salad. Cause I used that from yesterday from my sister-in-law's birthday party, and everybody liked my potato salad. I'm gonna have to do a video. I'm gonna so when this cut off, I'm gonna make the other half of the video for the chicken. I'm gonna show y'all the chicken and the potato salad and the vegetables, the corn. I thought, yeah, I'm gonna use some. I'm gonna cook this mixed vegetables. So that's for our dinner tonight. And I got another one, so I got 2 cans. Yep. It should be alright. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the family, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you knew how you doing, my name is Rosa. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. And your girl out. Y'all have a good day. And I'll come back and show y'all the other, once it's all the way done, I'm going to come back and show y'all before I upload. So, I'm out once again. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great Sunday. And I'm out. Peace. Don't forget, bacon chicken, put it in there for $3.50. Let it cook for an hour, 55 minutes. Or till how you want it. So, I'm out. Peace.